Previously on Design Via. So as far as plumbing work, it was a mixture of plumbing and electrical work, somewhat. As far as the outlets, where they're going to be installed, those are all installed. Well, another one's going to be over there. And the toilet and the drain for the shower, and the vents and the plumbing for the shower. And that's pretty much today's update on the ensuite renovation. So we got our hot and cold, electric done, more pipes for the vanity, more electrical, there's a toilet, more pipes, the fan, recessed light, and another recessed light. Progress is going great. So this is the view from the closet into the bathroom. So what's going to happen over here is there's going to be a sliding door that slides that way to enter the closet from the bathroom. So here's the progress so far. The shower area is ready, almost ready for the backer board, waterproof barrier stuff. The only issue is, as you can see, it is a double shower, but we're not short people, so this is about the typical height that you would put for a shower head, but it's gonna be a rainfall shower, so it's gonna come out and rainfall there. But it's almost okay for me, like it's all right for me, but it's right on top of my husband's head, so we're gonna have to let them move this up higher. Just a few more inches, so it's like here. So that's what has to be done, but I'm so excited about it. So it's gonna be the rainfall shower over there, and then you're gonna have the handheld shower, the body shower spray over here. All the wiring has been done. Seeing all of the lights. These are just temporary bulbs to make sure that they were working, but everything is all hooked up and ready. I believe the next stage is going to be drywall. I could be wrong, but I think that's the next stage. So I'll keep you guys posted and updated. But I'm excited for the progress.